How to add Amazon Prime gift card. Now, if you want to use Amazon Prime gift card in order to redeem the subscription in Amazon Prime Video, you just simply need to search for the redeem page or redeem Amazon Prime gift card. Then open this first website of amazon.com, which will lead you to the redeem code section, and from here you can enter the code manually, or you can also scan the code from here. And once you do that, you will see this apply to your balance button. Simply tap to apply to your balance, and if you have specific card that is used for Amazon Prime Video, the subscription will successfully be applied, or the membership or rental, whatever that redeem gift card gives you, will directly be applied to Amazon Prime Video. And this is how you can add gift card to Amazon Prime. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.